perfect morning coffee starts with freshly ground beans. A shot of espresso that flows like warm honey. And silky microfoam for that barista quality milk. You can now make third wave specialty coffee at home with ease, with 3-second heat up time and automatic steam wand. The Bambino Plus, small in size, big on taste. Compact without...
Cuisinart is revolutionizing the kitchen appliance world with the touchscreen 14-cup programmable coffee maker. Tap the icons on this fully automatic programmable coffee maker to make delicious coffee in your home any time of day with the 24-hour programmability feature. Use the intuitive touchscreen controls to choose a start time, auto shut-off time up to 4 hours, carafe temperature, and strength settings. When you're done and the coffee maker goes into sleep mode, the coffee maker has a sleek presentation on your countertop. The LCD touchscreen offers a self-clean feature, setting control for 1 to 4 cups, and an optional ready alert tone. With the perfect temp technology, this premium coffee maker brews hotter coffee and has both a reusable gold tone filter and charcoal water filter. The double filter technology protects the rich coffee flavor. When the coffee maker is not in use, only the power button will be illuminated, giving a sleek, streamlined appearance to any kitchen. Change the dynamic of today's kitchen with the Cuisinart touchscreen 14-cup programmable coffee maker.
We're hard-working Americans, and we love our coffee. Whether we brew coffee once a day or once a year, we can count on the Bunn Heat and Brew coffee maker to deliver. Pour cold water in, press the brew button, and it heats all the water to the ideal brewing temperature of about 200 degrees. Then a temperature-sensitive valve opens and the brewing begins. It takes about 6 minutes to heat the water and 4 minutes to brew a full pot of coffee. We can also choose to preset a morning start time and wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. The Heat and Brew uses the same professional standards that made Bunn America's leading commercial coffee equipment company, so we can always count on great tasting coffee at home too. It features an open, airy design that complements any kitchen and can easily be stored out of sight when not in use, freeing up valuable counter space. The Heat and Brew comes with an exclusive drip-free carafe, an automatic warmer plate, and a premium 3-year warranty because it's built to last. So go ahead, pour another cup. We'll brew more.